Hey y'all, I am going to show you how to take your hair from this fluffy old wash and go to these cute Kat Edison buns. If you haven't heard of Kat Edison, she is from this really cute show called The Bold Type, and I was watching it and I saw her hair and I was like, I really want to do those buns. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how I achieved this look. So first you're gonna need your water bottle and you wanna just spray your hair so it's a little bit damp. It's gonna make it a little bit more manageable so that you can put it where you want and it'll stay. I am using the Camille Rose line. I really love these products. Sometimes I use them to twist my hair, but they leave my hair feeling really nice and soft. And I usually do wash and go, so I don't usually use these products for wash and go. So this was just the perfect product to use for this. Anytime you are applying product, you want to make sure that you are rubbing your hands together with the product in there. It's going to make sure that it's ready to go on your hair. It's evenly distributed, and it'll also help your product to go farther. So since I am going to be starting off with basically 2 puffs for this, I'm separating my hair down the middle, first with my fingers, and then I'm just gonna go in with my comb. Now I do it with my fingers first just to make it easier, so I kind of have an idea of where I'm parting and most of the hair's out of the way that needs to be out of the way. And then I go in with my rat tooth comb just to clean it up. Tie half of your hair out of the way so you maintain that clean part that you have. And we're gonna start working with this other side. Another spritz. Some more of our Curl Maker by Camille Rose to make sure that down that middle part is also smooth. And you can run it through the length of your hair just to make sure that things are nice, shiny. And I'm using my detangling brush just to kind of gently run over my hair and smooth it down. If you have like a board bristle brush, you can use that as well. Whatever works best for you for smoothing your hair down. I'm not necessarily super concerned with it being super slick. I just want it to, get into my little puff. So take your hair bow, hold on to your puff, and tie your hair bow onto there. And try to make sure that hairs from the other side don't get in it like I did. One puff down, one puff to go. You can take it, see if it's in the position that you're wanting it to be in, and then just separate and pull it to get it in the spot that you want it to and make sure it's tight. You can see I'm just kind of playing with it to see if this is where I want it to be. I am just doing a quick braid at the ends to keep all that hair together and secure and make it easier to form my little puff that I'm gonna be forming. Take a hairpin and just pin that little braided section down, and you can start to shape it the way that you want it. You kind of want a little croissant shape here, a little semicircle croissant kind of thing. We're just gonna repeat this process again on the other side. So get your Camille Rose products or anything else you decide to use, smooth your hair down, get your hair bow, and get that puff poppin'. Again, I'm doing the braid at the end just to help keep everything secure. And I'm not necessarily loving the way it's looking, so I'm having to play around with it a little bit more. But I finally get it, pin it down, and now is where we really start to play with it and get it looking exactly how we're wanting it to look. So I'm taking another hair bow because I want them to be closer together, and I'm wrapping it around both sides just to help pull it to the top of my head and keep them together and close the way that I want it, as opposed to them spreading out and being separate from each other. have some bobby pins, and I'm just gonna pin my life away, y'all. Like, this is really how you have to do it sometimes. Everything's not gonna look perfectly the way that you want it until you play with it, you pin it, you twist it, you turn it, you do whatever manipulating you need to do to get it to look the way that you want it to look. So have fun with it, be creative, and make sure that it is secure, okay? Make sure it's secure. Cool gel, Shine and Jam. So I'm going in with this Shine and Jam gel at the end just to help to further smooth everything down a little bit. I don't know where my edge brush is, so I'm going old school and using the toothbrush, okay? Don't judge me. And my hair is not perfectly smooth. That's not usually what I go for because I have natural hair, so I just be letting it do what it do. But, you know, I'm gonna get a little bit of baby hair action popping here apparently today. Oh, oh. Girl, you cute. Hey. And this is pretty much it. These are my little cute Kat Edison buns. This style lasted me for like 4 days, y'all. I just wrapped it up around my edges at night, and it made my hair even smoother the next day. I just think it's super cute, classy, elegant. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Come back for more. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought about this style, and if you want to see me remake any more. Thanks. Bye.